Assalamualaikum, my name is Nora Aliani binti Mamasya. I'm from J4EM1103J. So, today I'm going to show to you guys my DIY experiment for subject MEC 291, which is hardness test. Enjoy watching!
To measure the hardness of different sample metals by using Vickers microhardness testing method, to plot the graph of different results about the Vickers hardness member for each sample. Switch on the Vickers hardness test machine, then adjust the load adjuster to 200 grams by rotating it. Put the sample on the workstation and adjust the height. Make sure the sample is close to the magnification lens. Press the start button and wait for a few seconds to machine to do the indentation on sample surface. Then, by using the micrometer X, Y, bring the indentation mark to the center of image. Press the button of counterclockwise twice to change the height magnification lens and adjust the height of the workstation slowly until the surface of sample appears. Next, find the indentation mark by using the micrometer X, Y, bring the indentation mark to the center of image. Move the fixed line to left of the corner of indentation mark using micrometer X, Y. Move the fine line until touch the fixed line by rotating the microscope adjuster. Press the 0 button on machine interface to reset the reading for D1 and D2. Then, move the fine line until touch the right corner of the indentation mark by using microscope adjuster and take the reading of D1. Press the read button at electronic microscope and rotate it 90 degrees and move the fixed line to the bottom of corner indentation mark using the micrometer X and Y. Then adjust the fine line until it touches the upper corner of indentation mark using microscope adjuster and take the reading for D2 on machine interface. Press the read button at the electronic microscope and the hardness value will appear on the machine interface. Take the hardness Vickers value on machine surface. Rotate the electronic microscope clockwise and press the clockwise button twice to bring the head module to standby. Then, find the sample surface. Make sure there is no foreign particle on that surface by adjusting the height of workstation and micrometer X and Y. Next, repeat all the steps by using different load. 300 grams, then followed by next load 500 grams, 1000 grams, and 2000 grams. Repeat all the steps with using the different sample, brass and steel. Hardness is the property of a material that enables it to resist plastic deformation, penetration, indentation, and scratching. Therefore, hardness is important from an engineer standpoint because resistant to wear by either friction on erosion by steam, oil, and water generally increases with hardness. There is the hardness value for the sample provided at loading of 1000 grams. The hardness value for steel and brass is increasing due to the increasing of loads, while the hardness value for aluminium is not constantly increasing. By conducting this experiment of hardness test by using Vickers hardness test machine, we can measure the hardness of different metals by using Vickers microhardness testing method. Hardness testing will help us to evaluate a material's properties such as ductility and strength. Plus, in order to prevent producing any defect samples, We can reduce or prevent it from happening by testing the samples or materials first by using the hardness test. There are many types of hardness testing methods such as Brinell, Vickers, Knock, and Rockwell. In this experiment, we will use the Vickers hardness test machine. The Vickers hardness can be calculated by determining the diagonal length of indent in samples by applying a diamond pyramid indenter with load. It can be calculated by using this formula.